me tell you another story.
Yes.
That away from Ariana Grande, because we're going to debate about this the whole time.
Yes.
But let's come back here, Kenya. There's something very interesting that I really want you to hear. So in Makueni, a woman was caught, or rather has caught the attention of many after it emerged that she was married to 2 husbands. It is said that the 35-year-old Rael Mukeku has been married to 2 men, Memungu and Mkutu Mwia, and have for 11 years now. Now that's a very interesting story right there. Now that we've turned the tables, that we women can now marry two sisters.
Our Makueni is making headlines for many reasons and such reasons, and kudos Makueni guys.
Would you allow yourself to be the second husband?
The last story we had from Makueni was that woman that was being kicked and called names by the husband. The case is still in court, or he was thrown in or something. But that was Tim Makueni. And now this is a woman who's married 2 men. She has like 10 kids and stuff. They are all happy. They are of age. They understand how to balance stuff.
Okay.
Live long Mukambas.
Mr. Yes or no question, would you allow yourself to be the second husband?
Me, I would be killed. If Lord decided to get a second husband, maybe. But I'll say only a Mkamba woman can get away with that.
Because?
Because it's a Mkamba. You are from Botswana. How do you see it?
Oh, I'm so poorly.
Mukamba is very special.
Queen, would you, in this day and age, would you get a second husband now that we turn the pages on them?
Hell no.
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 Okay. No. You see, the problem with this right here, Queen is our guiding moral.
Would you allow yourself?
No. It's not even a moral
No,
thing.
you can get you and 3 husbands.
No, I don't want. I'm faithful to one. I'm faithful to one.
But you see, one thing I wanted to say, Zinzi, is that woman has definitely caught the attention of the media. I can give you this information for free. There are many other women out here who have husband, number 1 and number 2, some official, some unofficial. So let us not pretend.
Stevens, what do we have on the pulse today? Why